So let's talk about some lemons, shall we? I have with me here today a Sorrento Lemon, which I picked up at the gourmet supermarket that I've been to a lot, Italy. These are imported over from Italy. Some people are growing them in California, but I think it's kind of like a champagne or sparkling wine sort of deal where the true ones come from Italy and the ones that are grown here are not exactly right. This one I'm not entirely sure where it's from, but my guess is, considering how expensive this was, it better be from Italy. And you can see it's pretty large. It's larger than a typical lemon. Here is a normal lemon just to show scale, and this one I think is actually kind of small. Now what makes these lemons special is they're supposed to have like a unique flavor to it. The rinds are actually used to make limoncello, which is like a kind of liqueur. 60% of these fruits are actually used for the production of the liqueur. The other 40% are used, for typical lemon activities. The fruit itself is thought to be a mutation. So like a regular lemon tree was growing, and then they started pumping out ones like this. Actually, let me cut the other one just to compare. Yeah, there you go. Regular one against the Sorrento Lemon. You can see that this one appears to have more segments in it. Yeah, this one has 8. This one has, what is that? It's like 10 or 11 in there. So a few more segments. This one doesn't seem to have as many seeds as this one already. There's a seed there. This one doesn't appear to have any at all. I'm not one of those people that likes to eat lemons raw. I like sour things, but not to that kind of extreme. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm going to try the regular lemon first, just to be reminded of what a lemon tastes like. Seems like a good idea. Yeah, it's good. Tastes like a lemon. That's exactly how you'd expect a lemon to taste. It's a pretty good lemon. Obviously very sour. It's a good lemon. I got that one also from, Italy, so it's probably as good as a lemon's gonna get. Very sour, on a level of 1 to 10, where 10 is a lemon. That's a 10. So let's try the other one. This is the Sorrento Lemon. I'm not sure how sour this is. I'm guessing it's probably going to be similar, but let's find out. Yeah. It's about the same sourness, maybe a little bit less. The flavor's good. It's very juicy. That's kind of nice. Sometimes you have a fruit and it will have little tiny nuanced flavors in it, like it's a little earthy or floral. There might be a little bit of a berry taste or something like that. And that could be something that is prized about that fruit, is that there is a subtle extra flavor to it. With the case of these lemons, the Sorrento Lemon is so clean tasting and just perfectly lemon tasting. There are no real, I'm not really detecting any nuanced flavors, but I am detecting them in the regular non-Sorrento Lemon. But those nuanced flavors in the regular lemon are not good ones. So there's nuanced garbage flavors in the regular lemon. Even though it's totally a good lemon, there's little nuances that are a little stale, a little orangey, a little waterlogged kind of flavor to it. But the Sorrento Lemon is just bright, crisp, clean lemon taste. Regular lemon peel. Let's do this thing. Yeah, let's first let me give it a smell. It smells like a lemon rind. Yeah, smells good. You can clean your floors with it. can't say I've ever bitten into a lemon rind before, but it's not that bad. It is bitter. So here's the Sorrento lemon. It actually has, at least the one I have right here, it has less scent than the regular lemon. Interesting. It's different. It's a little hard to gauge like how it's different. It does taste similar. I think that the regular lemon rind is just as good, but different. It would impart like a different kind of flavor. Honestly, I think like the regular lemon would have more of a typical lemon flavor, and the Sorrento lemon has like more of a simplistic, slightly herbal flavor. But you know, both of them are quite good. Both of them have decent juice and they have decent rinds, but I say the Sorrento has a better juice for sure, and the rinds are comparable, but you know, different. So inside this little container, I have a bunch of these candied lemon rinds. How I made this is I first took the lemons, washed them, took the rinds off the flesh, then I cut it up. I put it in boiling water for about 10 minutes and let it kind of like simmer in there, you know, just to kind of like soften it up and get rid of some of the bitterness. Drain the water. I made a sugar solution of half a cup of sugar to half a cup of water. My rinds, put them in it. Let that cook for about 10 minutes. Separated it out, let it dry for a minute. Then I mixed it into a little container of sugar, coating thoroughly. And then I did it all again with the regular lemon as well. So here's the regular lemon. Absorbed a lot of sugar. It tastes like a lemon head. It tastes like lemon candy. It does have like a little bit of a bitter note to it, but not in like a bad way. It definitely, like, most of it is gone. Good stuff. Okay, so now the one we've all been waiting for. How about the Sorrento lemon rind? Also good. Milder. They are milder than the regular lemon, but with that mildness, there is less bitterness. There's almost like no bitterness, maybe like a little bit, but there's like almost no bitterness in the candied Sorrento lemon. But you are getting like a nice clean lemon flavor. The herbal taste that I was getting before is, yeah, I guess it's kind of there still, but it's very, very low. I'm mostly getting just like a nice clean lemon flavor. And with the regular lemon rind, it tastes a little bit more like lemon candy. Both of these are good, but I think in different ways. I think if you want to be just like sitting down and eating pieces of this, the regular lemon is probably better because it tastes stronger. The Sorrento lemons, I feel, are like a little bit more sophisticated. The flavor is there, but it's subtle. It's not like lemon candy. It's like a mild lemon taste. And I think that that has its own use. I think that this would probably be better to use on a dessert, or better to add something to a drink. It doesn't like steal the show, but it does contribute to it. In any case, this was a lot of fun. Got to compare one lemon to another lemon, and they are quite different. So cool to see how there is another variety of lemon out there that people like, and get a chance to try it. Okay, till next time, guys. Bye-bye. Hey, so at the end of this video, there's going to be a preview of next week's fruit, so stay tuned for that. But first, business! I want to give a shout out to all of my Patreon supporters. Patreon is how this channel happens. So if you want to help me out by giving completely voluntary contribution to my channel, check out the link that's around me right now or in the description below. Big shout out to the channel Smarter Every Day. They help me out a lot on Patreon, so if you haven't heard of them, check them out. I also have t-shirts for sale. These are available on my website, which are also in the link below. If you don't want to give me money, subscribe, click the bell, like, comment, any of that stuff. Alright, thanks so much guys. Bye.